All right, at BodyFix PT, your health is very important to us. We are going to come to you for treatment. We can meet you at a park like we are here today. But what we're going to do is we're going to bring our table, okay? And we're going to bring our supplies. And what we do is we set up our table in your house. All right, and then we take out our wipes, our disinfecting wipes, and we wipe the table down. Okay, we'll do this again at the end of every treatment. And that's a half a wipe, so we're going to take out a full wipe. And we are going to wipe down the table. All right, just like so. And you get it nice and good. It's all wet, clean. And then we want to let it sit for about a minute. Okay, that's how long it takes for the disinfectant to take shape, okay? And then we'll do our treatment on it. And we will clean it again when we're done, and we'll put it in our bag. But we want you to be confident that our supplies are clean and safe. We have our masks on. And we just want you to be confident in our abilities to keep you safe during this time of uncertainty. And remember, we'll come to you so you don't even have to leave your home or office. And give us a call and check us out at bodyfixpt.com. Thank you.